Okay, good afternoon. I'll be talking about the resources for ED303 assignment 2. Okay, first of all, before we teach any lesson, we have to prepare our resources. So I'll be doing for the the preschool. Now preschool is a very important year because we need to make sure that we have care resources and that should be available for the students while we are doing our teaching. So this afternoon I've got some care resources that should be available for the students before I do the teaching. So over here I have the mattress, okay, a bed that is made for the preschoolers, okay, with the toys, and then we have the toiletries. We have the toilet paper, diaper, we have soap, oil, sanitizer, powder, toothpaste. Okay, you have a dressing table there. We have masks, we have gloves, we have the first aid and the things for cleaning, the action and sponge, and we have the placemats for the children to put their lunch boxes on. We have a bottle of water, and we have the dressing clothes, spare clothes. We have the panties and underwear, shirt and dress, and we have a towel, and we also have hats, and we have other toys that children can play with, and we also have some educational resources, the Lego, some reading books, numbers, and some when children are about to learn the numbers and months, and we also have the letters over here. And if we need to teach them how to write their letters, we also have some activities down here. Okay, we can also use that for kindergarten, and this is to help them to write their letters, and also with numbers. And we have some number cards over here. Okay, and we have ice cream sticks. We have crayons and color pencils, counters, measuring cups, staples. We have the the magnifying glass, where they can do observations. Some simple reading books over here, Lego, and we have the jigsaw puzzle, and straws, chalk over this side, and some number cards in here. So that is about some of the resources we can use in preschool and also in the kindergarten. Now we'll move on to the resources for the lessons that we have prepared for ED302. First of all, we're going to look at the concept map. Okay, so this is the concept map. We have 3 concept map for preschool, and then we have 3 for year 1 and year 2. Okay, so we'll go straight to looking at some of the resources that we're going to use for the lessons. Okay, for health lesson, okay, we're going to look at these posters. Okay, we have posters that help us to keep our school clean. So we're going to look at this one, this poster, okay, and this one on fire. Okay, if your clothes get on fire. Okay, some other ones here for health practices. Children can discuss the pictures. And another one on fire over here. That's for safety. And also another one on a fire drill. This is for safety, yeah? And still on the health practices, we have the bucket here that represents the dustbin. We have the broom. Okay, we have things that we can use for cleaning. Okay, we have the action and sponge. We have the soap. We have the rag. Okay, and for the nutrition, we'll be looking at food. Okay, so this is the poster that we're going to look at. First of all, we're going to look at the different foods. Okay, the children are going to name, and going to look at one of the songs there, and another song over the side. Okay, and we also have two big books here on fruits. Okay, here, right here, and another one here on numbers. For numbers, but they talk about the fruits. Okay, and there are some other resources are right over here. Okay, we'll be looking at some of the foods. Okay, both unhealthy and healthy food, and also we'll be using our mats, the sorting mats, to sort out the resources. I mean the healthy food and the unhealthy food. Okay, we have the a book here which children can look at, and we have fruits and vegetable cards inside here, and these are the crayons that they'll be using to one of the activities here that they have to do, where they have to draw. Okay, they have not to draw, they'll be coloring or painting. They will not be coloring using the crayons. They'll be in this lesson they'll be using painting to color their favorite picture, which they'll choose from here. And talking about the paintings, we have the aprons here. Okay, we have the paints over here and paint brushes. This is the newsprint that we're going to use to place on the tables for children to paint on. Yeah, the paint brushes and the containers where we can put the water inside so that they can use to rinse their paint brushes. So that is about it for the preschool, but we still have two rhymes here that they're going to use during the lessons. Okay, so we have the Incy Wincy Spider, and you have the letter S song. So that is about preschool. Thank you.